Hello and welcome to E Prime. I'm Kalia, filling in for Dadrian. Everything, Everywhere, All at Once dominates at the Oscars. Best Supporting Actor and Best Supporting Actress, creating history as the first time in nearly 50 years to cup 3 of the 4 acting awards. Michelle Yeoh became the first person from an Asian background to be named Best Actress, while Kwan became the first person from an Asian background to win the award. Both gave emotional and inspirational acceptance speeches. Indie film also took home Best Picture, Best Director, Writing, Original Screenplay, and Editing. The other big winner of the night was All Quiet on the Western Front, which took home 4 awards, and Ruth E. Carter made history. She became the first Black woman to win 2 Oscars. And still on the Oscars, Bassett snub. Social media reacted to Angela Bassett losing to Jamie Lee Curtis for Best Supporting Actress. Angela seemed frozen after the announcement that sent social media in a frenzy with mixed reactions. Bassett has never won an Oscar, however, was a favorite for her role as Queen in Black Panther, Wakanda Forever, and was seen as an early frontrunner with wins from Golden Globes and Critics' Choice Awards. The Oscars also saw iconic performances from Lady Gaga and Rihanna, and returning host Jimmy Kimmel. Congratulations to all the Oscar winners. I'm Kalia reporting for E Prime.